In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert footnotes in Google Docs, a simple yet invaluable tool for creating structured and insightful documents. To get started, you'll first need to open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. Once your browser is open, navigate to google.com. On the top right-hand side of the page, you'll see the option to sign into your Google account. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address. Simply type in your email and proceed by clicking the Next button. Afterward, enter your Google account password and click on Next again to proceed. Once you've signed in, you'll want to access Google Docs. To do that, head over to the small grid icon found on the upper right corner of the page. This icon houses all the Google applications available to you. Click on it and select Google Docs from the options displayed. With Google Docs open, choose the document you want to work on, or start a new one if you haven't already. Now that you're in your document, it's time to insert your footnote. For this, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down list, hover over the Footnote option, which you'll find under the Page Elements section. Selecting this will automatically insert a small number in your document. This number acts as a reference for your footnote. Your cursor will simultaneously jump to the bottom of the page where the footnote will be added. As your cursor is already set, you can immediately begin typing your footnote text. Feel free to include references, additional information, or clarifications as needed. Footnotes are great for this, as they provide easy access to supplementary material without cluttering your main text. Remember, footnotes should always add value to your content, enhancing the reader's understanding. Once you're finished typing your footnote, you can easily return to the main body of your document to continue working on other sections. Just click back into the main document area to continue seamlessly. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the skills to insert footnotes in Google Docs, a handy way to support your writing with additional references. As always, practice is key, so don't hesitate to integrate this process the next time you're working on a document. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.